Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Sinta Aulia. I am from the 12th grade and now I want to share how to grow chilies. Hope you enjoy my video.
The materials required: we need chili seeds, tissue or paper towels, water, compost, and gloves. Step by steps. First, prep the seeds. Spread open a paper towel. Place all chili seeds evenly on it. Then, spray some water on them and fold the paper towel close. Now, keep this aside for about a week while making sure that the paper towel is regularly sprayed with water to keep it moist and damp. Keep it in a warm and humid place. Alternatively, you can skip this entire step. First, wet the seeds nicely and sow them in soil at a depth of about 2 until 3 centimeters. The chili seeds will germinate in about 1 week. Water them every alternate day. Keep the soil moist and make sure they are not exposed to harsh winds or strong sun. Please make sure that you're always wearing gloves while handling chilies and their seeds. Avoid touching your eyes, face, and any sensitive skin, and always wash your hands afterwards. Step 2. Soil and germination. Chili plants usually require an airy soil which is well drained. Here I moved some chili plants to another place because if they are too dense and close together, they will not grow optimally. Add a little bit of compost to it and give it a good mix. Keep the soil moist but don't overwater it. Water every alternate day or every 2 days depending on the weather. Make sure there is a wet-dry cycle of watering. The seeds will germinate of the soil within 7 until 10 days of planting the seeds. Keep watering them every alternate day and make sure they've exposed to 4 until 6 hours of sunlight daily. Step 3. Regularly water and nourish the plant and the chilies will grow bigger and bigger. The bigger they are, the more potent their spiciness is. After about 7 until 10 days, the chilies will grow bigger and bigger and bear fruit. Then, you'll see a cute little baby chili growing in its place. Once the chili is about 5 until 7 centimeters long, you can pluck it to cook with it. However, if you want it to be spicier, you can leave it on the plant itself. If you leave them long enough on the plant, the green chili peppers will eventually turn red. The redder it gets, the harder the chili is.
Yeah, so guys, that's how to grow chilies from me. I hope this video helps and provides benefit